Just a quick update. This is how we actually managed to get it out. And it's strapped up with ratchet straps on the top, and everything looks like it's coming out really nice and smooth. It's Byron's hand over there. Alright, it's out. I'm happy. Nowhere near as big a hassle as people think. What do you think, Byron?
Yeah.
He doesn't want his voice on video. Where did I leave off? Wow, this isn't going to work. It's crazy humid here. Let me see if I can heat this up a little bit so I can actually get a clear picture. So this is where we're at. This is the current pile of parts. You can see we got the motor mounts off today. They're right there. I don't know what else we really got off. Well, the big thing was cross member. Yay. Alright, that's out. Doesn't feel as heavy as everybody says. I may have to grab a scale somewhere and actually try it. Byron said it felt heavy, but Byron's got small hands. I don't know. I didn't mean that as a crack. Actually, it's really helpful when you can actually stop by and work things that I can't touch. The actual car, yeah, let's see. Right now, what's left of the engine is suspended by the two ratchet straps. Pretty much nothing down there. Kind of nice, all that room for activity. Same here. I temporarily put the jack under here, just for safety. It isn't really necessary. With the brake lines loose and everything, the brakes can just pretty much sit on the ground. Pretty much the same deal on this side. So I'm debating if tomorrow I start by probably pressure washing everything that's here. I think I'm going to use some Moroso solid motor mounts, and originally I was just going to leave them the way they ship, but I'm thinking right now that I may sandblast them real quickly and give them a coat of paint, or possibly powder coat them, and then it's time to reassemble. I think we've got everything that's going to get disassembled. Kind of excited. Here's just a quick, this is what's going on in the car. That's UMI K-Member. Significant difference between it and the rest of them is that they've got this double tube set up in the middle. I've considered actually cutting it and putting flanges in them. It's just so you get the oil pan off the engine easily. I don't know. We'll see. It looks like it'd be easy enough to do on the car anyway. These are the motor mounts I'm going to use. These are the Moroso solid mounts. These are the 3rd gen Firebird motor mount body pads. Take a look at the part number. It's 62610, and they're actually labeled specifically for F bodies. And these are their generic solid motor mounts that replace the shells on the side of the engine, and that's 62510, if that helps anybody. Alright, I'm going to call that it and pick up again tomorrow. Good night, guys.